If you have got your LLM agent working in Dev, it answers your questions, calls the tools, maybe even it does a little reasoning, but the moment you push it to production, everything breaks. Context vanish, tools fails, memory gets wiped, and your agents become just a dumb chatbot. Have you ever faced this issue? And today I'm gonna explore a AI theory that's been gives you real engineering thoughts and how you are gonna build a powerful production grade LLM agent. And welcome to my channel and the place where you don't just explore the AI in theory and how to push the real agents or build production grade LLMs. So today I'm talking about the 12 factor agent frameworks that's let you to build more modular approach, building a reliable, scalable production grade LLM agents. Think microservices. But for AI, let's dive in. Modular by design. Think microservices for agent. LLM systems in productions are not just about the clever prompts. They are about orchestration, memory, reliability, and tooling. The 12 factor agent frameworks break your monolithic agent into modular component, memory modules, prompt layer, tool, interfaces, control logic. Why it's matter? Each component can scale, evolve, or fail independently, just like microservices. The second, agents are not just chatbots, they are decision makers. Instead of guessing answers, agents can translate the natural language into tools call. So, what is the capital of India? The agents maps to get capital, country India, and return the answer New Delhi. Why it matters? The structure tools calling means fewer hallucination and more deterministic behavior. This is the foundation of agent reliability. Bring your own prompts. Your prompt isn't a just instruction, it's identity. When you say, "Hey, I am boss," your agent should say, "Welcome, boss." It is context aware, the goal aware, and brand aligned. Why it's matter? Bring your own prompts, enable the tone, control, persona shaping, and user trust. Critical for real world assistance. The fourth one, context window plus memory layers. LLMs forget fast. Your agent shouldn't. Two memory step type short term in LLM context window few thousand tokens, long term external memory via Redis, Quadrant, or LangChain memory wrappers. Use memory to recall goals, sessions, and historical tasks without inflating the token cost. That's more important when you're building the production grade enterprise level LLM agents. The fifth one, structure outputs only. Your agent shouldn't think or thinking it. It should give very structured JSON output. Why it's matter? Right, the key value pair allowing to chaining and validation and downstream automation. If I ask the capital of India, it should answer New Delhi and with the source Wikipedia. So that's how the structure outputs work. The sixth one, unified execution and business state. Agents live across the workflows. They need a shared state layer to track the process, log the errors, run and resume the task. Example, onboarding an agent that remember you uploaded a form that needs to be sent a follow-up email if the server restart. So you should have the unified execution business states within your agents. Seventh one, human in the loop. As a first class citizen, A isn't always confident or trustworthy. So that's why agent must pause and ask when things are get sensitive. For example, if you wanted to delete a database record or sending your funds, trigger a human review. This is not just a safety, it's good for UX, smart enough to act, smart enough to ask. And the eighth one, bring your own workflows. If you define a logic, the agent execute it. Just like Zapier or N8N, your workflows can be included. The conditional branches, retry loops, external triggers. This gives you deterministic control while letting the agent to handle the heavy lifting. And ninth one, resilient tooling with self-healing. In a production, tools break, APIs timeout, agent must recover, not crash. A resilient agent, it has to retrieve. And one, the small, focus agents. Don't build one mega agent that does everything. Build specialist agents. One to plan, one to research, one to write. Chain them into agent workflow like Lego blocks. It is clean, debuggable, and scalable. So I've seen into the enterprise level, they create one giant agent and expect the agent to do everything, and they fail to do a multi-agentic orchestration and define a proper workflow. That's the major failures. Don't do that mistake and try to create a more focused, small LLMs that helps you. The 11th one, task-oriented prompt specialization. Prompts are not just a single, small, one size fit for all. We have to use a different prompts for different ones. The reasoning, we should write a different prompt, writing a different prompt, searching a different prompt. So one prompt is not going to fit for everything. So if you wanted to ask the agent to think, research how LLM handle recursion. And if you wanted to write something, ask the agent to turn into a 400 word blog post. Specialization is higher quality output and better performance. The moment you are given a task oriented prompts for your agent, it's gonna give you the better performance. And the 12th and most important, statelessness, observability, and guardrails. Production is always a complexity that involves guardrails, observability, and see the statelessness. So whenever you design the agentic multi-agentic workflows or orchestration or build LLM application, think how stateless design, how easier you can scale and deploy the agent, and observability, how easily you can log trace metrics because the complications involves different LLMs calls. You need to know right how the modular way you have built, and you should know what each agent or small agent is doing, why it's doing, and how it's doing. The guardrails, rate limits, validation, and abuse preventions. If you're running in a pod, you need visibility, accountability, and control. The statelessness is very crucial when you are building a production ready LLM agent. So this is not just a theory, what I'm talks today. It's a 12 factor agent work framework. It's a blueprint to take your LLM agents from demo to scalable, durable enterprise copilots. If you are building a AI agent that needs scale across the customer apps or teams, this methodology will save you months of bugs or burnout. Got questions? Drop them in a comment. If you like this one, please subscribe for my channel, and I'm happy to take your comments and answer them if possible. Thank you.